having problems with this question, these series of questions, 5 through probably 7 or 8. It's to do with torquing cylinder heads. Now, the first question that starts with the series is question 5. It asks you to adjust a torque wrench to phase 1, torque specifications, and then tighten the cylinder head only to that. So if you look at phase 1, it's 50 Newton meters. So this is in Newton meters. But look here, I got 50. I'm tightening, I'm bringing this part of the handle, or the handle, down to where it just reaches this piece right here. So I spin it down right to about there. Oh, it's a little too far. That's 50 Newton meters. And it asks me to tighten the first cylinder head bolt. So I take my torque wrench here, I place it on my first cylinder head bolt. Now, as I move it, it's tightening. In a red flash, see the red flash happen here? That's it. Don't go any further. You've reached the torque. Okay? Check it, and you're good. The next step asks us to using a torque angle meter, which is basically our next step. So after phase 1 is completed, you didn't torque it again. Now we're using a torque angle gauge, which is this guy here. It wants us to do 120 degrees, phase 2. So I take this one and I put it on cylinder number 1. I can see I have 0 all the way down to 120. So as I pull this red line will move. I stop it, it gets to 120 degrees. So I move down, see how it moves. The angle moves. And then when I get to 120, I stop and I check it. And I'm good to go. The next stage, this is the one that's more difficult. It's quite fussy. It wants you to tighten all cylinder heads in the pattern. So I tighten. So if I look at this piece here, this is my order. 1, 2, 3, then I back and forth. So I start in the middle and work my way out. So again, phase 1 is 50 Newton meters. So I have to bring this down to 50 Newton meters. Which is about here. I tighten all of them 50 before I move on to the torque angle gauge. So I do number 1 first, and I go till I see the red flash, stop. Then I go to number 2, and I go to the red flash, and then I go to 3, to the red flash, and I continue till they're all done. And way down here, 8, 10, my last one. Then I stop, I put that away, I grab this guy, and now I do phase 2, 120. So each one, I have to go down to 120, each individual one, in order. Seven, last couple. It is fussy and finicky, so you need to take your time. There. Check. That's how you do it. Good luck.